Today I'm going to teach you how to mention members in Microsoft Teams channel chat. This is incredibly useful when you need to grab someone's attention in a busy channel or ensure specific team members see an important update. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your organization's workspace. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Teams homepage where you can see all your activity and channels. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see several options in the navigation panel, including Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and more. Go ahead and click on Teams. This will bring up a list of all the teams you're part of and the channels within those teams. From here, browse through your teams and click on the specific channel where you want to mention members. This could be a general channel, a project-specific channel, or any other channel relevant to your message. Once you click it, the channel conversation will open up in the main window, showing you the ongoing chat history. Next, look for the text box at the bottom of the channel conversation. Click on Post in Channel. This is where you'll compose your message and mention the team members you need to reach. The text box will activate, ready for you to start typing. Now here's where the magic happens. Type the @ symbol, which is Shift 2 on your keyboard. As soon as you type the @ symbol, Teams will automatically start suggesting members from your channel. You can then type the name or email of the member you want to mention. Teams will filter the suggestions as you type, making it easy to find the right person quickly. Once you see the person's name appear in the dropdown, click on it to add them to your message. But what if you need to notify multiple people at once? It's simple. After mentioning the first member, type the word and in your message. Then type another @ symbol and start typing the next member's name or email. Repeat this process for as many members as you need to mention. This way, everyone you've tagged will receive a notification about your message. Here's a quick tip. If you want to mention only their first name instead of their full name, simply press the backspace key on your keyboard after selecting the member. This will remove their last name from the mention, making your message look cleaner and more casual if that's the tone you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully mentioned members in your Microsoft Teams channel chat, ensuring they're notified and can respond to your message promptly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.